What if I told you that you could build a powerful AI tools for businesses without writing a single code? Sounds wild, right? Well, I'm starting that journey today from scratch. Hi, my name is Inderpreet Kahlon, and I've been working in a digital marketing domain for the last 5 years. And I just wanted to build something bigger, something my own and scalable. In that search, I stumbled upon AI automation and see how businesses getting transformed in the real life with the help of AI automation. And here's the thing. I'm not from a developer background, but the curiosity to understand the technology better brought me into this AI world. So I'm doing this the no code way, using AI tools like OpenAI and Claude for LLM and automation platforms like Anyten, Zapier, and Make to build real AI powered solutions that solve the problem of real businesses. This channel is me documenting everything. I'll be learning in real time, testing all the tools, building AI agents, talking to clients, and closing them. And eventually, offering real services to the business which will help them to grow using automation. Here is how I'm breaking it step by step. This is just not a theory, this is my real action plan. As you can see on my computer screen, AI Logic Works. This will be my educational channel. What is AI automation and why should we care? We will break down what is AI automation actually means. Using artificial intelligence to automatically do tasks that normally require human efforts. In simple words, AI automation, AI means thinking and automation is doing. For example, I would say a chatbot that answer customer questions 24 by 7 without needing a human. An AI system that check thousands of invoices without any kind of error as well as without getting tired. A voice AI that book a hotel room when customer call. These are some examples currently I'm thinking. And why should we care? It makes work faster, reduce mistakes, save time, and often saves money too. In the very near future, or I would say right now, you will see how auto workflows are already replacing repetitive business tasks. And this open up the doors for us as a service provider. AI is an ocean, but what exactly we are going to focus on? It is really important thing. If you are anything like me, it's easy to get lost in all the hypes. But here's the thing: we are not here to swim in a circle. We are gonna focus on what is practical and what is profitable. Stuff like AI-powered voice receptionist, appointment booking bots, live chat agents, WhatsApp automation, real business flow automation. And the best part, we can build a lot of this with the help of no code tool. The next thing is which industries are currently adapting and need this the most. Okay, so you might be wondering where the actual demand is, right? Like who even need this stuff? Well, restaurant getting slams with 100 plus calls a day, salon, clinic, coaches, they are literally drowning in the handling or admin work. And guess what? That's where we come in with solution that actually saves their time and grow their businesses. All right, cool. So the next question is what services can we offer using AI automation? We gotta think of problem solver mode now. We are not just selling shiny AI toys. We are solving real pain points. Mismanagement booking, slow response time, staff shortage. These are some of the ideas right now coming in my mind. These are some of the real problems which restaurant or hotel industry facing on a daily basis. But we are not only focused on restaurant or hotel. These problems can be present in other industries as well. These are just the example which are coming in my mind right now. So we have to identify the right businesses and understand their real needs. Now, understanding the AI terminology and how it functions in business. So Now, real quick, let's talk about the tech lingo because, yeah, AI got a bunch of fancy words flying around. But don't worry, we are gonna decode them one by one. Like, what is knowledge base? It's like AI memory or engineer. They're basically teaching AI how to think. LLM, A to A, MCP, all these stuff. So we will break it down in our upcoming videos. So even your grandma could get it. No offense, grandma. Now, what are the tools we will need and how they work together? Well, honestly, there are a bunch of them out there. Some of big ones are you're gonna hear a lot about are things like Voiceflow, Vapi, Retell AI, Make.com, Zapier, and even big names like OpenAI, Claude, Google A2A. And yeah, it can feel a little overwhelming at first, but don't stress about it. We're gonna break them all one by one. And here's the thing, depending on what we are building, like a voice receptionist or WhatsApp bot or full blown business workflow, the tools we use might change a little bit. So in the upcoming videos, we actually go deeper into each tool based on the industry we are targeting or type of AI agent we are building right now. If we are doing stuff for restaurant, it might be different setup than those automation which are for coaching businesses or hospital front desks. So you don't worry or memorize everything right now. We will take it step by step, but real stuff, see exactly how these tools connect and work together. Cool. Now let's keep rolling to the next question, which is how do we build a working model from scratch? First thing, we design the solution. That means we figure out like what problem we are solving. Are we making a voice receptionist, an appointment bot, a full on workflow automation? You gotta know what you are building and who it is for. Then step number two, we connect it with real data. This is where the magic happens. We teach the AI where to pull answers from, like FAQ, PDFs, websites, service list pricing, books, booking links, all those real world stuff. Now we have to test it, like going it in the live in real time, not just clicking a few buttons and hoping for the best. Now we actually use it like customer would try, or we break it down like we see where it mess up and then we fix it. These keep on rolling until we get the perfect or near about the perfect AI agent we are trying to make. And trust me, there are always some little tweaks or mess up in the first few tests. It's normal. AI voice get normally get hallucinate and it's never get 100% accurate, but we have to come at least closer to it. The process of building an AI working model is literally just solving a real problem, connecting the right tool, test, break, fix, and repeat. We gonna do it together step by step in our upcoming videos. How do we find clients organically without ads or big budget? Let's be real. Most of us starting out don't have huge budget to blow. So here's the plan. We go organically, meaning we find people where they are really hanging out, like Facebook groups, WhatsApp community, LinkedIn post, Insta DM. Now, I'm not gonna say you that you just go to those groups and spam with, "Hey bro, buy my AI services." Now, that doesn't work, and honestly, it's just annoying. These are a ton of Facebook groups for business owners, restaurant salons, coaches, all kinds of industries. People in those groups are already talking about their problems like missing calls, slow response, staff shortage. And that's where we come in, not selling, but helping. Now, besides of DMs, we can also use cold email and even cold calls. Like with cold emails, the trick is to keep it super short, super human, no big fancy paragraphs, no complicated words. Something like, "Hi, this and that name. I saw your business is growing. Congrats. Just curious, have you ever considered automation some of your customer calls or booking with AI?" Happy to share you some quick ideas. If you're interested, then you have to connect with me. Cheers. This mail is itself not completed or complete. We have to make it more compelling and straightforward as well. Like, see, no hard sell, just offering a little idea, planting a seed. And if you are feeling little brave, cold calls can be super powerful too. The goal isn't to convince, the goal is to find the one who are ready. So yeah, finding clients organically is 100% possible, but it takes time and have to be patient about it. And the important thing, which is how do we pitch and close our first deal? Getting your first client isn't about money, it's about building trust, to be very honest. The first client has to be believe in your system, that how it's going to help them to grow their money or resolve their issue with your services. Change is big decision, for most business owner, replacing their current system or even trying something new can be feel risky. That's why we approach our pitch with empathy or no pressure. Instead of selling, we focus on solving a real problem, whether it is mismanagement, slow process, or lack of automation. We identify a pain point, offer a clear solution, and show how it saves the time, stress, or cost. Also, maybe we have to offer them some free stuff as well so that they can relate it better and understand whether it's helpful to them or not. So our goal with the first deal isn't about a profit. It's to build a portfolio, prove our capability and earn trust. That's why we will offer lead with the free or low cost demo. So the client can actually experience the AI solution without any commitment. This is really, really important. Hope you guys are getting what I'm trying to say or explain here. Once they see how it works and how it helps, the conversation shift from should I try to this to how fast we can try or start. Remember, money is secondary, result and relationship are primary. Are you ready to follow this journey and build your own along with me? Well, we will answer every one of these questions together by learning, building, testing, and offering real solution in the AI space. All without code or maybe just little minor code. I would say if you are a student wanting to learn something new in the fast moving world of AI, a creator or freelancer looking to automate your stuff, or an agency owner needs smart solution, me and my channel, this is the right place for you. Thank you for watching and being part of my journey. I'll be sharing tutorials, experiments, client work and lesson I learn along with the way. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Your support really helps and I would love to hear your thoughts, questions or just a quick hi in the comment section. Let's build something amazing together. See you in the next one. See ya.